Hello, family and friends. Thank you for joining us for this project. Today we're doing an easy Halloween wreath that is impressive, but I will say it does take several hours to make. I used 9 different ribbons, 2 rolls each with a Halloween pattern, 2 each of 5 different netting colors, and 2 each of 4 different tools. I also used a bag of pipe cleaners, all which I got at the dollar store. I cut the ribbon into 7-inch strips, and then I used pipe cleaners cut into 4-inch strips, using them to tie the ribbon together and attach to the wreath. The wreath had 9 divided sections, so I made 5 ribbon bundles for each inside section of the wreath, totaling 45 bundles. Then I made 7 bundles each for the outside sections, totaling 63 bundles. I start by rolling the netting tightly in the center, and I let the outside edges create a cone. I follow a thick center stitching on the netting to help me keep the netting as square as possible. As you tightly roll the center, it will create a cone on the ends, and I find it easy to hold the ribbon between my fingers as I start to stack the bundles. Now I add a Halloween ribbon, then I add a tool. I scrunch the tool from corner to corner. I actually started by going side to side, but it got lost. So I tried going corner to corner, and I found that the tool stands out and gives a little bit of interest. Last is another netting rolled, and then I tie the whole bundle together using the 4-inch pipe cleaner. Now I attach the bundle to the inside of the wreath. I continue until each section has 5 bundles. When looking at the wire design of the wreath, you will notice the wire circles have short vertical wires attaching the circles together. This creates 9 sections evenly spaced. This will be different depending on your wreath size. On the inside wire, which is the center of the circle, I attach 5 bundles of ribbon per section, totaling 45 bundles. You can adjust the number of bundles based on your wreath size. Smaller the wreath, the less bundles. The larger the wreath, the more bundles. When I get to the outside of the wreath, I will attach the 7 bundles of ribbon to each section, totaling 63 bundles of ribbon. And I will save you from watching me make all those bundles of ribbon and speed through the process. Today is a new day, and I noticed that yesterday I was working on a dark surface, so I switched to my light table to make things stand out a little easier. I'm now going to work on the outer ring of the wreath, attaching the 7 bundles of ribbon per section. I will save you all from watching me put together 63 bundles of ribbon and attaching them to the wreath, so I will speed through this process and I'll show you the next step. I had a trick-or-treat decoration left over from last year, and I decided to add it to this wreath because the colors were similar. The 3 pieces were attached by black ribbon, so I removed the ribbon and hot glued each section individually to the wreath. For me, Halloween is a fun time. You can have fun with your decorations using all kinds of colors you might not normally use. This wreath is busier than my normal taste, but for Halloween, it works. Here's the finished product. Remember to check back at the end of the month, because each of the projects we do, I'm going to take you on a mini tour so you can see how it looks together. Thank you so much for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time. So for now, make it a gorgeous day, every day. Bye.